Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in 2023 and how the price of natural gas can move in 2024. This is a month-wise chart where you can see that the price of natural gas since 8-9 months moving in a zone of $3 and $2, which I've already explained you in my most of videos, that if the price move out of a zone of $3 and $2, we can see a further upside movement and a further downfall movement if it moves below a level of $2 respectively. Now it has moved out of $3 zone and already trading at a level of $3.4265. As you can see, the gap is still pending at this particular level at a level of $4.1 to a level of $4.35. Okay, now trading at 3.4, so chances are very high as it is the next resistance coming at a $3.5493. okay, and chances are very high that it can go further high because this is the level you can see is a strong resistance and it's already being on the upper side, so chances are high it will go further upside. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next year, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, chances are very high that if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see, and then it can go towards a level of $3.7390. and this is a month wise I'm showing you, and I will show you a year wise pattern also where you will see how the price of natural gas can go. If it moves above a level of $3.4265, chances are high it will touch a level of $3.7, and if that level sustain, a further upside we can see towards $4. Once the price sustain above 3.9, chances of touching a level of 4.1 we can see, and then it will fill this gap and chance of touching 4.35 is there. Once the price sustain above 4.35, chances of going towards 4.5 will be there. As soon as it started sustaining up that level, we can see a level of $4.9. After $4.5 we can see a level of 4.9. okay, overall trend is on our upper side as we can see, because if you look at after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside, and what this pattern was saying that whenever it is hitting its new high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and this, if you look at this from 20 to 21, we have seen two highs and there is a continuous downfall. Before that again we have seen only one high. Okay, and this is the pattern where see it made high and then there is a sharp fall. Okay, now after 2022 again two high we have seen, but in 2023 it is trying to make, first high was this and second high was is still going on. So chances can be high that if the price move above a level of $4 or $5, a fall can come, but that will be a profit booking as we can see. Okay, so now once the price move above a level of 4.9, a further upside we can see towards a level of $5, and from there a probability of touching $5.316. okay, keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that once started moving above $5, a further upside we can see towards 5.3 to a level of 5.5, and from there to a level of 5.9. okay, and if the price move above a level of $5, I'll make another video explaining where it can go. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, okay, what we can see, look at a year wise chart where you will see clearly that how's the price of natural gas is moving. See, this is a year wise chart where you will see since 3 years the price of natural gas was moving continuously on upside. Okay, and this is the period where it went down in pandemic, but after that there is a continuous rise. See, now it is at a high of this particular level 3.4. the pandemic high was at this level 3.4 and a low was 1.5 around. Okay, and the second high was at around 6.5 and a low was at around 2.4. this is the range we can see. Okay, 9.9 and a low of around 3.6. that means $6 or $7 high and low we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, so chances can be high if the price sustain this level, and it can go towards a level of $3.4875. okay, and if the price move up that level, a further high we can see towards a level of $3.5719. if the price move up that level, then we can see it can touch a level $4.1279, and once it sustain, then a probability of going towards 4.9. okay, this is a year wise pattern, and once it started sustaining, a further upside we can see. But if this level didn't sustain, if it moves below that level, then we can see that the next support on a year wise basis we can see coming at a level of $2.588, $2, and once it move below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.5663 and then to a level of around $2.4227. And once it moved below that level, a further downfall we can see after a level of 2.4 to a level of around $2.0623. $2.063 is already being tested here, so chances of falling further down we can see. Okay, now let's go again on a monthly based chart where you will see that how the price can fall if the price didn't sustain this level. If the price didn't sustain this level, a further fall we can see, and then chances of touching a level of $3.39 is there, and 3.053, and once it move below that level we can see it can touch a level of $2.9296, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $2.8110. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.6204 is there, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and it can break this particular level $2.473, and a probability of going towards a level of $2.1670. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and there will be a zone breakout if the price fall below a level of $2.1760. Okay, keep that in mind. As soon as started falling below a level of $2, there are higher chances that it will come in a zone of $1.8 to a level of 1.6 and then to a level of 1.5. Okay, and this is a 2024 analysis. If you have any doubts, you can mail me, and if I do workshop also where I teach technical, how to trading psychology, fundamental and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to